For someone that always lives in black, I'm kind of scared to be sat here on colour, but I can't wait to see what Helen comes out with today. Even with jeans and some white trainers.
Kids are getting a little bit older. I'm definitely getting a bit more back into fashion and just loving seeing what's available at the Victoria Place.
There's another wild jacket here from Renaissance, which is just along in the mall. Thank you very much. Thank you.